Exploring the entire production process of electromagnetic locks. Part 16. Packaging of finished electromagnetic locks. For better protection of the electromagnetic lock from damage during transportation, we customize packaging boxes with different sizes and prepared instructions according to different models. Pack the suckers, magnets and accessory packs in the box with cardboard, then put the instruction manual, and finally stick the product label on the outer box, and the packaging of a single product is completed. To prevent damage from prolonged transportation, a moisture-proof bag is added inside the outer box, and corresponding protective measures are taken at the outer corners of the box to ensure the product arrives in perfect condition.